STEAM Summer Skill Skool 2024. Greetings to everyone. Welcome to the comprehensive report of STEAM Summer Skill Skool 2024, inaugurated on the Earth Day, April 22nd, 2024. This program saw the enthusiastic participation of 60 students in Category A, that is from KG till Grade 3, and 17 students in Category B, that is Grades 4 and above, who all greatly benefited from the activities and learning experience offered. Here, we present the details of the program where skill acquisition was coupled with fun and joy. The program commenced with an inaugural function attended by parents. In honor of Earth Day, each student received a plant to take home and nurture. Students shared photos of their planting activities, and an awareness session on the importance of trees and their impact on society was conducted in the Philosopher's Hall in the presence of Chairman Dr. C. Srikumar, Scientist Dr. Rajadurai, founder of Rajadurai Foundation, and Mr. Boston, environmentalist. Daily activities and learning modules. The fitness program, which included exercise and Zumba sessions along with the assembly, became a regular routine for both students and teachers. Language proficiency were enhanced through sessions conducted by foreign faculty, Ms. Arya, and other senior teachers of Excel. Math logic skills were developed using puzzles and Legos, fostering critical thinking. Handwriting classes were regularly conducted to enhance their writing skills. Listening skills were strengthened to age-appropriate activities including rhymes, videos, and BBC News segments. Through natural exploration, students engaged in various activities that connected them with nature like river walks, nest exploration, bird watching, planting activities, and so on. Leadership development programs. A leadership development program for students of grade 2 and above were organized by the team from Chennai, providing focused training sessions from May 9th to May 21st. Cheerful Carnival. A cheerful carnival was held on Thursday, May 2nd, 2024, featuring fun games and movie screenings. The carnival included a variety of games and entertaining activities along with movie sessions. During the entire summer program, 3 movies, Finding Nemo, Ice Age, and Rio, were shown. These screenings were followed by discussions on character virtues and lessons learned from the films. Health and hygiene education. Prioritizing health and hygiene, the program included hand washing techniques, brushing techniques, hygiene education for girls, etc. A health camp was organized on May 12th by NIMS, Medicity, Neyachingara, and Samco Eye Hospital, Marthandam. Students actively participated and recorded their health data in health cards with overall monitoring by Dr. Bivin, naturopathy physician of STEAM's Anatomy Lab. Parent Connect program. On May 13th, the Parent Connect program brought together the parents of Summer Skill Skool students. This event featured fun and healthy competition in art and culinary skills. sessions with pediatricians Dr. Susmita and Dr. Atishta from Sharada Krishna Homeopathic Medical College. Parents expressed their gratitude and affection towards the school, appreciating the holistic development of their children. Drone workshop. A drone workshop for students of grade 4 and above were conducted on Thursday, May 16, 2024 by robotic engineer Mr. Ashwin Vimal. The workshop was an outstanding success. We are proud to share that Mr. Ashwin Vimal, who completed his Masters in Intelligence Robotics, is an esteemed alumnus of our school. Fruit Day celebration. On May 20th, Fruit Day was celebrated to provide healthy eating. Students learnt about different fruits, their vitamins, benefits and how to consume them. Through the STEAMscape Gateway, students explored the geographical aspects of the fruit's cultivation and Dr. Bevin explained their biological and chemical benefits. Category B students prepared insights about each fruit. Self-skill acquisition through activities. On May 21st, students engaged in activities that honored various skills such as listening, speaking, motor skills, observation and so on. As we reached the closure of the Summer Skill School, it was evident that all 77 students experienced engaged learning and positive changes. They utilized their summer holidays effectively, acquiring new skills and knowledge. I wholeheartedly thank our school management for organizing the wonderful program, our dedicated teachers for their execution, the supportive parents for their cooperation, and our enthusiastic students for their active participation. Now let's listen from our students of Summer Skill School 2024 about their experience.
Hello everyone, we students are here to give the feedback of Summer Skill School. The 3D design class was super exciting and we designed our own nameplate. There was a good balance between learning and playtime. Teachers are so friendly and I love my teachers. Art classes were too interesting and creative. The fitness class was fabulous. I enjoyed games and activities. The drone workshop provided hands-on learning experience. There was a good mix of academic and non-academic subjects promoting to a well-rounded development. I love swimming and it was super thrilling. Culinary class was fun. I loved mixing ingredients and preparing recipes. The dance and music sessions were so much fun and entertaining. Games Day was a highlight for sportsmanship. I enjoy friendly competition. Cheerful Carnival was an exciting blast. The fitness program maintained my energy level. I absolutely like nature walk, especially integrated farm visit. Milk time was a great time to make everyone together. Exploring different types of clay was both learning and fun feeling. I can't wait to come back next year. We
are delighted with the success of Summer Skill School 2024 and look forward to returning with more updated activities for Summer Skill School 2025. Until then, goodbye.